The more I travel, the more I realize that 99.9% of humans are good people. They are humble, friendly, and hospitable. It might not appear that way when you turn on your TV, but when you're constantly meeting eye to eye with people from every corner of the world, it's just the honest truth. What's your name? Drew, man. We just picked him up and he's gonna help us find the place where we're going. I've come to realize that all 7.6 billion humans, from Somalia to Samoa to Spain, have the same wants and needs: to eat, to sleep, to laugh, to love, and to work. Countless times, when I've been completely lost in a foreign country, someone has offered their hand and even a bed to sleep in. It doesn't matter if we cannot communicate. It doesn't matter that I'm American and Jewish and have red hair. Nobody cares about these things. All it takes is a simple smile, and everyone can smile in the same language. Hello!
Hello!
The world is a very safe place, and it pains me to think that the media has instilled fear in our minds. This is what motivates me to keep making travel videos, so I can show you the happy and positive sides of the world. Of course, I am not blind to the fact that terrorist attacks happen and that people get murdered. Every country has good people and bad people, but remember that it's the 0.1% who are the bad guys. You are 5 times more likely to get struck by lightning than be a victim of one terrorist attack. So please, I urge you not to let the media scare you away from seeing the world's most beautiful sights, meeting the most welcoming people, and learning about places that you never knew existed. I can guarantee you that life is much better this way. I'm Drew Binsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.